In today's video, I'll show you how to use tags in ActiveCampaign to organize contacts, trigger automations, and create more targeted marketing campaigns. Tags are flexible labels that you can apply to contacts based on their interests, actions, purchases, or any other information you want to track. First, sign in to your ActiveCampaign account and open the Contacts section. From here, you can access your contacts and manage the tags associated with them. To create a tag, open the Tags area and select the option to add a new tag. Enter a clear name that describes what the tag represents, then save it. When naming tags, it's a good idea to use a consistent naming system. For example, you could use tags like interest.seo, purchase.ebook, or source.youtube. This makes your tags easier to understand and manage as your contact list grows. Next, you can assign a tag to a contact. Open a contact's profile, find the Tags section, and add the tag you want to apply. Tags become especially useful when you connect them to automations. For example, you can create an automation that starts whenever a specific tag is added to a contact. This could send a welcome email, start a follow-up sequence, or update the contact status. You can also use tags to segment your audience. This allows you to identify contacts with specific interests or behaviors and create more relevant campaigns for them. Another useful feature is using tags with conditional logic. Depending on your setup, you can check whether a contact has a particular tag and send them through different paths in an automation. As your account grows, avoid creating unnecessary tags. Keep your naming system consistent and maintain a simple record of what each important tag means and when it should be applied. Before using tags in important automations, test the workflow with a sample contact to make sure everything triggers as expected. And that's how you use tags in ActiveCampaign. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.